Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful or useful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe leave a comment. Those really help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can check out the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is a portable dehumidifier by a company called Zealinno. This is the box it's going to come in once you order it. Once you open it up, you are going to get a nice user manual, which is going to tell you all the different settings in multiple languages. And then you're going to get the little portable dehumidifier itself. So as you can see, it is nice and compact. It plugs in just to a standard outlet with a little cable here. I already have it plugged in. On the back, it's easy to remove water tray. As you can see, it's nice and clear, so you can see how much water is in it. This tank, to give you an idea, will hold 1.8 liters of water. Once you empty it, just slide it in like so. Now, on the front here is the controls where you will basically operate everything. So this big black circle at the top is a power button. Hold your finger down and it will activate. Now, this thing does have 7 different lighting modes, which you can see right now. It's cycling through them. How you adjust those is you just press this star sun-looking button, and it'll cycle through the different lighting modes and options for you. Then you're going to have the H button. So when you press this button, it is going to activate the timer. So you have a 2-hour timer, an 8-hour timer, 12-hour timer, a 24-hour timer, 36 hours, 48 hours, 60 hours, and then you are off again back to 2 hours. So if you want it to run for a certain amount of time, you have a long range of multiple days and multiple options there. Then you have the button that looks like a fan. So this is going to give you your 3 options of actually dehumidification. So the lowest setting, this is the lowest setting. It is super quiet. This is ideal if it's in your bedroom and you are sleeping. It's only 10 to 20 decibels. See if you can hear it. It is so quiet. I can barely hear it right here. So I seriously doubt you can hear it on the camera mic, even though it's right next to the device. So that is ideal for sleeping. The next button is the medium mode. Give you an idea, this is 25 to 35 decibels. And then the highest is maximum output, and that is 40 to 50 decibels, so it's a lot louder. At the max, it's going to be using 30 watts worth of energy. How dehumidifiers work, it uses that energy to suck that moisture out, drop it in the bin, and then blow out the colder air. This size, to give you an idea for a room, this is ideally for like in your kitchen, in your bedroom, your bathroom, if you have an RV, some smaller space. Don't expect this thing to dehumidify giant large rooms like your living room or something like that. It's really meant as a personal dehumidifier in your immediate area to make it feel comfortable. Because ideally, you want to be in that humidity range of 50 to 60%, which is what, because this is smart, it's going to know that. So that's the range it's going to be looking for as far as humidity levels for operation. As far as this last button, that is what's going to tell you what humidity level settings you want to have it at. So right there, 40 is the lowest, and then you can keep hitting it up to where it goes all high, 70, 80, 90, etc., and back down to 40. So once again, that's how you can adjust those customizable things, but you want to be targeted somewhere between the 40 to 60 range. I live in a very humid city, so this is nice because it can keep my office, which can get humid, you can keep it nice and dry while I'm working, so I just don't feel that just humid, uncomfortable air, which I personally like. So if you are in the market for a nice small dehumidifier, this guy is a nice little compact guy. I like the fact that it has the little night light on here. That gives you some options. However, if you want to turn it off, just hold your button down on the sun and it'll turn off for you. So it has all these little customizable features, which is really, really, really cool. That is it. If there was something I didn't cover that you're curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond. If you enjoyed the video, say thanks, hit that like button. I really appreciate it a lot. And be sure to check out the link in the description. That will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, and all that fun information. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.